Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy REIT in First Metro Sec, step by step. First, you'll need to open an account. Begin by creating a PSE Easy Online account and choose First Metro Sec as your trading participant. After that, complete the online application form, ensuring all details are correct, and verify your email. First Metro Sec will then set up a Name on Central Depository, or No CD, account for your REIT shares, as mandated by the SEC. Once your account is active, it's time to fund it. You can easily deposit money using various online banking options like Metrobank, PS Bank, BPI, or through bills payment. After funding, log into your First Metro Sec trading platform. Search for the REIT you wish to invest in using its stock symbol. Then, place a buy order, indicating the number of shares you want and your preferred price. Remember to review your order before confirming. After purchasing your REIT, it's crucial to monitor your investments. Regularly check your portfolio's performance and stay updated with market news directly on the First Metro Sec platform. Utilize the available research reports and expert analyses to make informed decisions about your holdings. Remember, REIT are legally required to distribute at least 90% of their distributable income as dividends annually, offering a consistent income stream. Investing in REIT through First Metro Sec offers several compelling benefits. You can participate in real estate ownership with a relatively small capital, making it accessible to many investors. You also stand to gain from potential recurring income through regular dividend payouts, as REIT distribute a significant portion of their earnings from rental properties. Plus, they can diversify your investment portfolio. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.